Create drawings, comics, and manga with Pigma Sensei pens from Sakura of America. The rich black Pigma ink will not smear when dry and is waterproof. The Pigma ink also does not bleed through most papers and is archival. These pens are not only useful for outlining your sketches and adding line weight, but are great for creating depth to your drawings as well. The Pigma Sensei pen line has many nib options and sizes, meaning that there will always be the proper pen available for the job at hand. The thicker size nibs like the 06 and 10 are great for larger parts of your drawing and are very useful to have when working on larger scaled artworks. The thinner nibs of the set, the 03 and 04, are wonderful for fine details such as facial features and thin hairlines. Great for anything you would like a delicate touch to. The chisel nib set is unique in that it has multiple line widths available in one pen. The line width you can achieve is dependent on the angle in which you hold it. Cover larger areas using the flat side, or make thinner strokes using the tip. These pens can cover the largest surface area, making blocking in deep black color a breeze. Sakura of America has made a variety of Pigma Sensei pen sets available, so you can purchase just the right selection of pens for your individual needs.